Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yozi Oktori. Here I will explain about discussion text. Understanding discussion text. Discussion text is a text that presents a problematic topic which is then discussed from various points of view. The discussion text itself discusses something that contains professional views and counterpoints to that thing. The topic discussed in the discussion text itself are usually controversial issues that occur in society. Objective. The purpose of discussion text is to present an issue or information by presenting several opinions of experts in the field, and usually the opinion presented are contradictory, pros and cons, so it can be concluded that the author created the text based on discourse in society. Structure discussion text. Number one, issue. Number two, argument for. Number three, argument against. Number four, conclusion. Issue. This section will contain an introduction to the issues discussed. Issues in discussion text can be hot issues currently circulating around educational, health, social, political, historical, or other issues. Argument for. This section contains positive pro explanation. So if you can explain the things that make you agree the issue being discussed, the argument you convey can be in the form of advantages, benefits, and so on. Argument again contains negative contra explanation, so you can explain things that make you disagree regarding the issues discussed. It could be a loss or other negative things. Conclusion. Here you can draw conclusion from the result of the discussion being discussed. Apart from that, you can also provide suggestion regarding solution to the issues. Example of discussion text. Issue. Currently, the video games industry is growing rapidly. It's become a billion-dollar industry. Video games have become an important part not only of children's lives but also of adults' lives. However, there is debate whether video games have a good or bad influence on children. Argument for. People who argue pro state that video games provide many benefits. Playing video games is a good way to relieve children's boredom. Can refresh children's minds after a tiring day at school. Apart from that, they also think that video games can trigger children to be more creative because these games profit selling ways to win. In other words, they believe that video games can actually sharpen the human brain. Arguments again. On the other hand, some people argue that video games make children lazy. They argue that playing video games is addictive. Therefore, most children prefer playing video games to studying. These children have difficulty concentrating on their studies because they are always thinking about how to spend more time playing video games. There are even some children who skip extracurricular lessons just because they want to play video games. Additionally, most video games often contain too much violence. 2 years ago in America, for example, a student shot his teacher and several of his friends. Newspaper said that the boy was deeply affected by the action in the video games he used to play. Conclusion. It's clear that video games have more disadvantages than advantages. Therefore, parents must be very careful in choosing suitable games for their children. That's all my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.